Well, in all things, we give God thanks. It says no matter what circumstance we find ourselves. What we found in Rivers State is suspension of a governor. We felt was an aberration from my point of view. As one who has a doctorate degree in law, I have 4 law degrees. And we just want to say that perhaps Mr. President, in his wisdom, averted dangers and challenges that will have befallen Rivers people. And we thank His Excellency the Governor, Sir Dr. Fubara, Fellow of the Nigerian Institute of Management, for his wisdom, his maturity, his disposition towards peace. He took everything in good faith. Rivers people were agitated. I personally was highly agitated. But he communicated peace and calm. He has always projected reconciliation and peace and avoidance of acrimony. And that is what has kept Rivers people and the Rivers State together in one fabric. Or else we would have had a very terrible situation. The governor is a man of peace. We thank God that it has given us, Rivers people, as well as Nigerians, an opportunity to appreciate His Excellency, Sir Fubara, as a man who is an exceptional leader, one who believes that peace is paramount, one who has temperament that is worthy of leadership. It has jettisoned him to international recognition. People have come to see that indeed Nigeria has hope with leaders like this. So in all things, we thank God because it gave us an opportunity to see the kind of governor that we have. One who believes in peace, development, and people first. Like the slogan goes, Rivers first. And is one who has the fear of God and places God above all things. And we give him thanks that we had the opportunity to see the difference between government and governance. Well, the governor hit the road running. He's received several persons we have watched on television, and we can see the excitement in those who have come to visit him. In the excitement, even the villa, the presidential villa, I watched that on television, the excitement. It shows that people have confidence that this governor will come to reverse all the damage that was inflicted in the 6 months of his absence. Like you pointed out, market women were lamenting, contractors were lamenting, everybody, the place was deplorable, roads were falling apart. The government was indeed doing so well before his tenure was abbreviated. But we know that he's coming to restore everything. So it's a new phase of restoration, a new phase of better development, and one that will be more impactful on the generality of the people that live in Rivers State, which includes indigenes and non-indigenes. Well, as a former deputy speaker of the Rivers State House of Assembly, we know that the concept of separation of power should apply in any sane society. We want to hope that my colleagues in the legislature will embrace the fact that we are representative of our people and find a way to work amicably with the governor of the state, the executive arm. The governor has always waved an olive branch. He has always projected that in his comments and his actions. And so we are hoping that there will be a new phase of cordiality, since our leader, the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, has also reiterated that severally. And so we hope that Rivers State can now be unified. There can be reconciliation, and we can move forward and place our people above all else. Well, I think for anyone to want to call for a probe, they may have observed something that may be untoward. It is the responsibility of the legislature to exercise functions in its oversight duties. And it's their discretion. I don't know whether it will add value. I don't know what the benefit would be. But going forward, I think that we should always have a sense of reconciliation and moving forward. A lot of damage has been inflicted on the psyche of the Rivers people. A lot of damage has been inflicted on our infrastructure and our development progress. Even civil servants that were once very jubilant, you could see the impact. You could see even security agencies were impacted adversely. So we believe that the legislature, working in cooperation and harmony with the executive, can restore all the damage and perhaps put us on the right footing. Well, as Rivers people, we have seen that we have a governor that truly is exceptional. We have never imagined such humility from one who wields so much power and one who does not use his power arbitrarily. And so I believe that as we continue to pray in our homes, in our churches, in our various places of worship, pray for the governor, pray for the state, and continue to ensure peace that he has projected. He has shown himself as a pacifist. He's ready to be deprived of privilege and respect just to ensure that the people are placed first. So I just say, let us continue to encourage and support our governor, Sir Simon Fubara.